Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set the deployment name in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So during software development lifecycle, there are many phases: development, staging, production. So there will be a separate environments for development and testing and production. So you can set you can classify those environment by using this hostname ctl command. So this is the command hostname ctl set hyphen deployment space development. So which means that I am setting this as a development box. So here you can see that deployment name is got set. So this is a development box. So you can also modify or delete these entries. So let me delete. Okay. Yes, you can see that deployment name is got deleted. So now once again I'm putting back. So I need to set this box as a production box. Yes, so you can see that I have set this box as a production box using hostname ctl command. So this is the way you can classify the your server or computer using hostname ctl set deployment command.